Mud, rocks, and dirt. The three building blocks of taking your truck, SUV, or Jeep off-road. But chipping paint and slinging mud on everything behind you, not so much. These mud guards from Husky Liner are the protection you'll need. These aren't your normal mud flaps. In fact, there's no flapping at all. They are mud guards. And that's a perfect name because they guard your truck against just about anything on the road. These things are impact resistant and can handle mud, they can handle rocks, they can handle snow, and they can handle just about anything else the road throws at them. And these mud guards fit like they're from the factory, but way better. The form-fit design is made to hug your factory fender flare and contour the angles of the fender. And if you're worried about your paint, don't be. The mud guards install using the Husky Shield, which is a film that installs between the guard and your ride. Husky has designed these wider than normal. This design will cover most of, if not all, the tire area to catch as much mud as it can. These things are rugged and stop mud in its path. Unlike normal mud flaps, where the flaps are loose and when mud hits it, they just fly around and make a huge mess on both your truck and those behind you. This can keep both your truck clean and the truck behind you from causing trouble. If you're interested in the mud guard from Husky Liner or need help with installation, check out the store locator on screen or in the description. And don't forget to check back every week for new videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on In the Garage.